cause when I'm in the streets. DSG farts, then you see me breeze. Automatic DSG farts, it's a new thing.
What is good everyone, DSG Panther here. Today I'm actually going to be getting a brand new custom exhaust on my Polo GTI. Now it's going to be an insane one, so make sure you're sticking around for this video. And yeah, I'll show you what the exhaust is right now. At the moment, we literally just have the normal exhaust, but it's straight piped at the moment with stock cat. So fast auto line styling will be doing it for me today. So yeah, hopefully this all goes well. They've got to look at it first to see if they can do it, but hopefully they can. Also, I've got my Oath and Tiger spoiler on now. You can get this from DSG Mods. Yeah, if you want to do it. But yeah, without further ado, let's get on the little convoy. Let's go and pick Tom up and let's get on our way to get the exhaust done. What is good everyone, we are now down at Fast Lane Styling. We're going to get an RS3 style tip put onto the Polo. I was going to do dual exit, but I'm not really feeling it at the moment, so we're going to do just one big tip on the side, see what it looks like, see how it comes out. But yeah, let's get into some cinematics of it. We've got Tom with us as well, so we're going to go for a little drive after, get some sick cinematics of it as well. But yeah, let's get the RS3 tip installed. Shout out to everyone down here, they're really cool. But yeah, if you want to follow all their socials, will be here. And yeah, let's get into it. So this is like their unit, they've got some stuff down there. And then here is where my car is, as you can see. Up on the ramp, got Tom's here. But yeah, we've got, it's everything here. It's a bit mad, isn't it? Got everything here, bruv. They've got tinting and stuff in there. You got my car there, some other things going on. Something mad over there, I don't know what. But yeah, let's get into it. At the moment, this is what the exhaust looks like. It's literally just straight pipe all the way down. You probably saw my previous video, but yeah, so they're going to cut it from, I think he said here, and then we can put the oval tip on the end, so it should look sick. But yeah, that is all of the original exhaust.
Excuse me?
This is where it's going to look different. Right, so they've just cut the first, or the tip off basically. It looks a bit mad, but yeah, so then they're going to put the oval tip on, and I'll show you guys what it looks like once it's on, and then we can have a look at it. But yeah, as you can see there, it's got the tip off now, and then they're going to put the RS3 tip on, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so it's all done. You can hear the car now. I'm going to go and pay for it, and then I'll show you guys what the tip looks like. It does look pretty bad, I can't lie. Guys, so we are now back from Fast Lane Styling, and as you can see, well, as you saw in these cinematics, we have gone with the one-sided oval tip, which is similar to the RS3. Now I'm going to show you a little bit more about it and how they've done it. I mean, you probably saw it in the video, but essentially it's pretty simple. They just cut the end of the tip off and then put the new tip over it. I will be doing dual exit tips very soon. I know people thought that was going to be happening in this video, but it didn't. It was a long story short, but they didn't have enough time, and I personally didn't want to wait all day for it done because I had to be somewhere. So yeah, we've done one side for now, just so I can see what it looks like, and I'm pretty happy with it. So I think I want to go through and do the other side probably next month or within a couple of months. So wait for that, because that video will be actually insane. But yeah, I'll show you a bit more about it now, and then we're in the video there. As you can see, there is the oval tip. Now it's literally just a slide on there, as you can see. So it's still a straight pipe, but yeah, I think it looks pretty angry from this angle. I literally love it. I think when we got to both sides, it will look menacing and just stupid. And we've also got their sticker on the car as well, so go hit them up. But also go to DSG Mods first, you know how we do. But yeah, so I'm liking the car at the moment. We've got the Oath and Tiger spoiler on obviously now from DSG Mods. Move the GTI sticker in the middle, the F1 light from DSG Mods, and the diffuser from DSG Mods. So yeah, it's coming to pieces. I'm liking this car at the moment. I want to lower it a little bit more on the back, not the front, just the rear, and then maybe get some 10mm lowering top mounts. But yeah, I'm happy with it at the moment. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. We're almost at 10k on YouTube. Let's try and push the YouTube a bit more, because Instagram we hit 10k, but we need to be pushing YouTube, because that's the thing that I enjoy doing the most. So yeah, please like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at DSG Panther, and I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video.